compartment here in the rear. You just pull back on this. It has some pretty hefty clips in there. And then back in here is the jack. Okay, so to get your tool bag out, you're going to loosen this right here. It's basically just holding this bag up. See, it's just a clip that holds the bag. Then you can push the bag forward and slide it out. Okay, so the jack is down in here, and the jack itself is what kind of keeps it in place. So you want to turn this knob counterclockwise to loosen the jack, and eventually you'll be able to lift it out. Okay, so first we're going to remove this cover. So there's two little screws here that you just turn, okay, and then pull down on them so that they're out, and then go ahead and lift up on this for these tabs to come out of here. Next, you can take a screwdriver and you're going to put it right here and very gently pry it outward. Okay, so it swings out and it's held on by this right there. Okay, so inside you have a little lock here for the spare tire. So you need your key fob, and on the side there's a button that you push down. So when you push down and pull on it, the key comes out. Okay, and you're just going to put it in there. You're going to turn it, and then you're going to wiggle the whole thing out. Okay, so you can see how that works. It's just locking it in there. So you turn it to the right to unlock it. Okay, so inside your kit here, you have this part that's going to actually remove the lug nuts. You have two extensions that we're going to use to actually drop the spare tire using this as a handle. And then you have a jack handle itself, and it has this ring around it and the little turned edge there. So that's a jack handle. Okay, so you're going to take these two poles that look pretty much the same, and you're going to hook them together. Just push down on that little ball. So you make a nice long extension. Okay, and the open end here is what's going to go inside here. There we go. So you can see that goes in pretty far, and when you move it around, you'll feel it lock into place. And next, the actual tire iron here, which we are going to use to take off the lug nuts, locks into here as well. And now you have kind of a handle assembly. Okay, so now you're going to just turn this counterclockwise and drop the spare tire. Okay, you can see you're going to give yourself a little bit of slack still, even when it's down. Okay, so now you can lift the tire up and just slide this up through the tire. Okay, so once that's loose, out of the way, you can now move your tire out.